this is Tangle4358, and I'm just gonna be playing Cat Mario. Okay, if I can figure out how to move. Wait, do I hit play? Does that mean play? Oh, yeah, okay. Level 1. 3 lives. Those look evil. Yeah. No, it's the evil things. Wait, no, are they evil? I don't know. Let's jump on it. No, they are evil. Okay. Let me try this again. Die. Oops. Nope. 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 Die. Die. Yes. Okay. Let's get up here now. Give me this here. Yes. Okay. Nuts. It's another evil thing. Oh yeah, I knew that was gonna happen. Okay. Yes. Oh my gosh. What is that? It's like a narwhal. Looks like a narwhal. Oh. Okay. Let's keep going. Oh. Okay. Let's murder it. It's a mushroom. Mushrooms are good. Ah. Oh. Okay. Okay, I gotta remember these things. Okay, I don't feel like killing you people now. No. Here we go. Oh my gosh. I still can't get over what that thing is. Okay. Anything? Okay. Okay. So I gotta activate that thing. Wait till that thing falls off the edge. Get the mushroom and run back. No! Okay, no, I got it. I'm gonna activate the thing, then get the mushroom. Okay, that failed. Okay, oh darn it, I have -1 lives. Over the narwhal thing. Ooh. Okay. Activate it. No! Are you kidding me? Okay. Definitely gonna get it this time. Nope. No, I'm not. Never mind. I take that back. I'm not gonna get it. Okay. I'm just gonna get it here. Okay. Yes. No. Come here. My mission. Okay. Oh no, it's a green evil thing. What's this? Is that like a checkpoint or something? No. No! What was that about? That was creepy. No. 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 Wait, what? No! What? Okay. Yep. I'm trapped. Am I supposed to fall? I have nothing better to do. Come on. What? 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 What is the purpose of this? Okay. Now what? What? Oh, yay, it is a checkpoint. Oh, yeah, I forgot about that. Okay, nope. Okay. Okay. And I gotta jump from here. Nope. Kidding me. Okay, I'm stuck here again. Like I just gotta fall down this tunnel and die again. That sucks. But at least I have a checkpoint. Okay. Maybe I need to... What? Are you kidding me? Okay. Okay, yeah. Okay, I'm not gonna die that time. Yeah. Okay. Ooh, it's a star. My star. What? What? Stars are evil? Stars aren't supposed to be evil. Stars are supposed to be friendly. Okay, let's not get that mystery thing. You're kidding me. Okay. Lovely. Again. Okay. Okay, I'm not going to do that again. I promise I won't do that again. I'm going to jump from this one. Nope. No! Ugh. Okay. How did I get past this the first time? Okay, let's go here. Follow the evil dude. Jump! Okay. Okay, I know what I'm gonna do now. Okay, you gotta jump to this one. No! Hey, at least he fell in too. No, no, no. Haha, you died too. Yeah. No, 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 no. Okay, now I'm just gonna jump with all my might. I'm just gonna jump with all my might. That failed really badly. Okay then. Of course. You know what? I'm just gonna like stop recording until I pass this part. So yeah. Okay, and yeah, I passed it. Okay. Okay. Yeah. I'm just gonna jump. Yes. Yes. I feel like that giant mushroom thing, this thing, is gonna like find some way to murder me. No! Ah! Are you kidding me? Okay. No! Ugh. Okay. Yeah. Oh, I made it to the top. Okay. Okay. Come on, kitty. No, I really need to be able to customize. No! Are you kidding me? This sucks. Okay, fall down the hole, you stupid cat. Thank you. I will pass this level one way or another. Man, now that song's stuck in my head. Now that song like, one way or another. That, what? What? How did I miss that? There. It's like I just jumped right into it. No, I had it. Okay, just fall in the hole. Just fall in the hole, cat. Okay, I will do this. I've mastered this part. Dun da da. Okay. Now in this part, I need to jump right here. There. Now I have my little block. No! This sucks. I will find a way to pass this level. How many levels are there? Oh yeah, I think there's 6 levels. 6 is like the magic number of all numbers. There. Yes, okay. No. Okay, so now I remember. That thing's gonna kill me, right? That these things from the sky, right here. What am I supposed to do? In the meantime, I can stomp on you guys. Boom, boom. There. Just get rid of those things. We'll find a way. What? Are you kidding me? Okay. This game is addictive and frustrating. Don't play it. No, but you should play it. No, okay. 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 Just, yeah. Okay. 1 second. Okay. I'm gonna kill you. No! Ah! Stupid turtle shell man. No, no, no! Sigh. This sucks. How long does it take you to figure out you fell down a hole and died? Like, falling, died death. Yes. Yes. No! See, I told you those cloud thingies were bad. I told you they were evil. I told you all. I told you all. I told you. What? My gosh, what's with all the fail jumps? Okay. Let's do this again. Yup. Doing great. Yup. Doing fantastic. It's like this game was like built to troll people. Like, how hard can it be to make a cat that just jumps and fails? Brutally, brutally, brutally fails. Okay. Nope, I will murder this turtle thing. Or it'll murder itself, because it's stupid. And apparently I'm just as stupid. Okay, I fell down a hole again. Hey! I bet that I'll have died like 50 times before I pass this level. You guys can make your bets too. If you're right, you're probably going to be wrong. I bet all y'all's answers are going to be wrong. No! Oh my gosh! Okay. Da-da-da! Cat Mario! No! Phew. See, I almost died there. I'm smart now because I've mastered that. Okay, there. It looks so cute if you just put a smile face on it. Yeah, I'm gonna put a smile on it. Yup, there you go. Brilliant. Okay, move along, you little slowpokes. It looks so weird. What? Oh. Oh. What? You're kidding me. What? That's just not fair. That's not fair. That's not fair. That's not fair. No, it didn't work. I did it last time. I don't know. I don't know what I did. No. I don't know. I just don't know what I did. Did you guys see that? No, of course you did. It's on the recording. You know, I'm gonna look at that when I finish this stupid recording. I'm dancing Mario Cat. Do 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 do. Jump. For Narnia! Okay. No! Oh my gosh! Okay. Well, at least I know exactly how to do it now. I know exactly how to do it. Okay. There. There. Because there are people in this world that want to pass this level. No! Oh, okay, I know exactly what to do now. I know what to do. Don't doubt me this time. Don't doubt me. I know exactly what I'm doing. Okay, maybe I don't know what I'm doing. No, if I pass this part, I know how to deal with the little white dudes. No, like, I'm not trying to be racist. No, like the little circle things. The little circle things. Must kill them. Must murder their faces. Their little ugly, smiling faces. There. Okay, I need to not jump. Just don't jump, just walk. Okay, I forgot to not jump, okay? Just don't dodge. Don't dodge. Don't dodge that. Judge. Every time I know what I'm doing, I mess up on the stupid little thingy. Well then, I don't know what that's about. Something about the pencil positivity. Oh, by the way, if you didn't hear that, I was reading my Skype chat stuff. Something about someone throwing a pencil of positivity. And I did not have anything to do with it for once. No! Okay. 40. Will that turtle guy come mess with me? I want to stomp on his face. Yes. Yes, I'll stomp on your face, buddy. That failed. What? No! Okay, I'm not gonna mess with the little turtle dude. Okay? I won't mess with the turtle dude. No. Okay. Yes, there we go. No, I must murder your face. I'm sorry. No, I need that brick right there. No. You're kidding me. You're kidding me. Okay, let's try this again. You know? Yes, okay. Okay, I'm gonna turn this into a part 1 and part 2. Because I really don't think you want to watch an hour of this for one episode. I should do like a Cat Mario episode stuff. Like, I know Silver's already doing it, but she doesn't fail as badly as me. I don't know. Does she? I don't know. I haven't seen them. Oh my gosh! Just fall down the hole, you stupid cat. You stupid cat. What is even this thing? Did the grass just move? Kidding me. I forgot to jump. Okay. I know I got this time, and I will not fall down the hole. And I did not just jinx it. Okay, you got that? I did not just jinx it. See? See, I didn't fall down. I didn't fall down the stupid hole. Yes, 2 birds with 1 stone. See, I didn't fall down the hole that time. And that ugly thing won't get me this time. See, because I'm being smart. See? What? What do you mean I can't go back? Okay, there we go. I can't go backwards? Okay, well, that doesn't matter. No! Why doesn't it let me move right there? It's like the arrow keys don't work anymore. It's like the house is right there. Oh my gosh. See, I didn't jinx it. I didn't fall in the hole that last time. See, it was the stupid narwhal thing. Yeah. I almost got this. Oh, I forgot I need to kill these people. And their ugly faces. Okay. I'm not going to do that next time. I promise I will not do that next time. Okay then. Stupid cat Mario game. Who invented this game? Just gonna murder your face. There. I murdered your face. See? Ta-da! Now I just gotta stay here while these ugly faced little white balls go by. Ta-da! Okay. Oh my gosh! I think I know how to do this now. So remember how the first time I got past here, that yellow thing came out of that pole thing? I think I have to jump on that over the pole. Yeah, it all makes sense now. It makes sense, and you know it makes sense. I don't deny that it doesn't make sense. No, we just die. Thank you. Okay, I'm gonna need that later. How did I hit? Okay, never mind. I'm at 50 lives. If I don't make it this time, then I was wrong. And it took me more than 50, not exactly 50. Since when does it take someone exactly, like You're kidding me. Okay, just keep trying. Trying. You know, it'd be cool if I did did this, but like I sped it up and played it to music. And then like you could watch me fail, but like in like fast motion, like really fast. You know, I think I'm gonna do that after I do this. After I pass level 1, I'm gonna do level 2 in like super speed. Like super duper speed, and then I'll just play it to music. Okay. That's fantastic. How long have I been doing this? How long have I been doing this? It feels like I've only been doing this for 5 minutes. I'm gonna laugh if I've only been doing this for 5 minutes. This sucks. I officially hate this game. Now, didn't I say that like an hour ago? No, it was like more like 10 minutes ago. Yay! You fell down the hole faster. But still, it takes too long for them to realize that you're dead. No, I was pressing the down button, not the up button. That sucks. Okay. So, yeah. I keep doing that. Well, oh my gosh, there's so many comments. Let's look at the comments. Oh, you can only see like none of them. La 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 la. Nothing's interesting. Okay. Let's get back to Cat Mario. No, the Turtle Man beat me. Okay, there, I did that on purpose that time. I can jump on top of it. Whee! There. Now I can murder their little faces. You're kidding me. It's like this game is like, it's like a game of memorization. You have to memorize when everything's gonna happen and where it's gonna happen. There's like no way anyone could ever defeat this without dying at least once. There. This is brilliant. I'm so brilliant. I'm so brilliant. And what? No, that's not how it's supposed to work. You stupid game. That's not how things work. No. The thing is not supposed to kill me. It's supposed to carry me. Yes, that's how it works. No. But apparently life has to be this way. Boom. There we go. Fantastic. Come on, you little munchkins. Move along. Move along, you powdered donuts. Okay. Okay. Ha, you missed me. You're not gonna keep doing that, are you? Okay, good. Now I think. No, 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 no. I will find a way to do this. Maybe I should find an easier game. This is hard. No. Trying this again. And again. And again. And failing again. This is so mean. This game is so mean. So mean to me. I have a brilliant idea. Like, I have the most brilliant of brilliant ideas. So anyway, I have this bearded dragon, and she just shed, whatever you want to call it. Yeah. So anyway, I could green screen her. Yeah, that'd be awesome. That's weird though. Are you supposed to green screen a lizard? There. Come on, you little munchkin donuts. No. No. Okay. So now I'm gonna take a little break. I'm gonna pause the recording and come back after I have gotten myself together, because I will make it. I will be right back. Okay, I got my chi, or whatever you call it, and I'm prepared. I'm just gonna distract the yellow thing. Ha. Okay. Now I'm gonna jump over the thing. Yes. What? I swear, if I die right now. What? I'm so confused. I made it. What? Huh? Why won't you follow? What? What? 1 second, I'll be right back. Okay. It looks like this would be it. Yeah. Well, yeah. No, I don't want to cheat. I want to figure out what I'm supposed to do. I don't want to like go down that hole, but like what if that hole is like the answer? What if I'm supposed to go down that hole? I feel like this should be like the little house thing. Okay. Okay, I'm just gonna keep going. Okay, so obviously it ends somewhere over there. Okay, I think I go down the hole. Okay, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. No, I don't want to do it. No, I have to. Can't. Must. No. Yes. No. Yes. No. I don't know what to do. Okay, I'm just gonna go down the hole. Just. No! How are you supposed to defeat this stupid thing? Okay. Definitely not going down the hole this time. Come on. Yeah. Yay! Yes! I don't know what that says, but yay! Okay, anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video, and like, subscribe, and comment for more Cat and Mario videos. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Bye.